Okay, so we got major damage in this cassette deck that just came today. This motherfucker, okay, has literally smashed the fucking corner off of it. Okay? Because of that half-ass fucking packing job. Okay? Fucking piece of fucking shit. Motherfucker. So, okay, it is powered up. It's fast forwarding right now. Okay, now I do have a replacement face. Okay, it's not the same model number. Okay, but it should be a direct replacement. Okay, so this motherfucker bent the record switch. This should not be that big of a deal. When I take this face off of here, I should be able to straighten this out. Okay? But the fast forward, the rewind, play, everything seems to be functioning. Okay? Okay, so everything seems to be spinning, even though these are the wrong fucking belts. Okay, you can see that belt dancing around. Okay, so that belt is too fat. It's not the right tension. So it's dancing all over the fucking place. Okay? So this is going to be a lot of work. Okay? So, yeah, very, very disappointed in this fucking asshole and his fucking pack job. So this is going to be a major fucking project. Okay? So, I have to clean this all up inside of here before I dare put one of my fucking tapes inside there. Okay? He sent a fucking tape with it that's blank. Okay? So, but this is very fucked up. So I'll be contacting fucking eBay to see about some kind of a refund. But this motherfucker is going to be getting a very bad fucking review. Okay? And he's just lucky that I have a spare face. Okay? That's even the same color. So yeah, today is not a good fucking day. But this is what happens when you buy cassette decks on eBay. And this is a hobby, okay? So, yeah, this fucking scumbag. Yeah, I gotta deal with this motherfucker. So,